Hello there. We will now continue with our last part of converting measurements. So this time, we will try to convert an English unit to metric or vice versa. So looking at our figure here in our whiteboard, okay, not all the time that the units are all uniform in metric and the other market might have a uniform unit of English. So it depends on the supplier, okay? So sometimes milk is in gallons. So 1 gallon is equivalent actually to is approximately equal to 3.8 liters. So just try to imagine three bottles of Coke filled in, and then you have 800 ml of the of the fourth bottle. So yung 1 teaspoon natin, it's approximately 4.9 ml when we use the graduated cylinder. Then, in terms of weight, one what 1 ounce just approximately equal to 28.3 grams of paper clips. Then finally, 1 kilogram of pineapple is approximately equal to 2.2 pounds. I'm just trying to imagine two full two full batter, and then a part of it. You were able to a part of it, because we're talking about a batter that represents a point 0.2 pounds. Okay. Let's try to consider an example. So here we have 18 feet is how many centimeters? So first feet is English. Then centimeters is metric. So what we do right now, it's like saying 18 feet is equal to blank cm. Okay, so first, feet and cm are in length. So in our conversion factors, we go to length. Okay, it's English to metric. So we go here. We try to figure out stand from our conversion factor, which relates feet to cm. So let's focus. Okay, so actually it's here. 1 foot is equal to 30.48 cm. So we copied our conversion factor. 1 foot is equal to 30.48 cm. So we copy the 18 feet first, and then we multiply our conversion factor. Feet is in the denominator, so that's 1 feet. 1 foot, by the way, 30.48 cm. We cancel out the feet. We multiply the 18 with the 30.48, and we will get the answer already. So 18 times 30.48 is equal to 554.04 centimeters. Okay, let's have another example. 54 kilometers is how many miles? So still, we're talking about length here. Kilometers is metric, and then miles is English. So we're converting a metric to an English in here. So we find our conversion factor first from our table. It's in length, and then Among the three, A, B, and C, we go to C because it's English to metric and vice versa. So we look for our conversion factor that relates kilometers and miles. So we have two options here. 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometer, or 1 kilometer is equal to 0.62 mile. So it's up to you what to do. But in my end, I will be using 1 kilometer is equal to 0.62 miles. So we copy our given 54 kilometers and set up a fraction for your conversion factor. Since a given is in kilometers, so we put the 1 kilometers in the denominator and 0.62 miles on top and the numerator. So the kilometers is expected to be cancelled out. So we're just multiplying a 54 with a 0.62. So that would be a 33.48 miles. Okay, let's have our last example. So 28 pounds is how many kilograms? So, unfortunately, we're given already with a hint, so we don't have to use our conversion, a summary of conversion factors anymore. So we just use this. So we will do the conversion right away. So 28 pounds multiply with, okay, that's 1 pound to kilograms right away. So pounds in the denominator, that's 1 pound. And then approximately in 1 pound is equal to 0.454. So the pounds will be cancelled out because the pound is in the numerator, this one is in the denominator. So 28 times 0.454 is equal to 12.712. But since the instruction is nearest tenth, so only in the tens place. So actually it's 12.712 kilograms, but we have to round it to the nearest tenth. So the tens place is here. What's after it is just a 1. So no need to round up. So the final answer is just 12.7 kilograms.